Step into the office. Pedro back at you with the RideShare Guy. If you like ride-alongs, let's go. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I averaged $33 an hour this week by doing Uber and DoorDash at the same time. If you're interested, keep watching. Now, I'm going to show you some of the orders I take, talk about some of the things we ran into as delivery drivers. This was my first order of the day. I try to be pretty selective. I do at least $2 a mile. And in my market, when I see $6.25, it's usually more because DoorDash does high tips. And this order actually wound up being about $7.25 or $7.50. So it was a great way to start the day for only 2 miles. Then we headed back to Chick-fil-A for a $9 order. A little more miles, but this one also wound up being a hidden tip. You'll see that in a little while. I don't mind the miles usually. As long as it's from a good merchant and the cash flow is good, I'll hop on that all day long, especially if it's highway miles. And in my market, I have a lot of those. We wait a little while, pick this bad boy up, back-to-back Chick-fil-A orders, not too bad. For me, in my market, what I have found is staying busy is crucial, and that should be true for most markets. If I see an order and it meets my criteria, I try not to overthink it, I take it. I keep my wheels moving towards money always. Anytime that I'm not making my way to money, I feel like I'm losing out. So I'm always trying to stay busy, keeping it at $2 to $3 per mile ratio. Rebecca?
This is she.
Yeah, I have a Chick-fil-A delivery for you. Said to call when I got here. When I arrived, I looked at the instructions, said to call. She brought somebody down. As you see in a moment, this guy came out, picked up the order. Always follow those delivery instructions, guys. Very, very, very important. Had to wait just about 30 seconds on this. For Rebecca?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that one?
And there's that hidden tip from 9 to 10:25. Then we roll right back into a hot zone where we like to be in. I keep Uber and DoorDash on at the same time, and then we popped another DoorDash. It was $11 going 7 miles, but 5 of those miles were highway. I jumped right on it, picked it up from a local joint in Central West End. How are you? Good. I have an order for Josh for DoorDash. And in this particular shift, I was doing a lot of highway miles, but they're actually more fuel efficient for me. I know my market really well. I know I could come in and out of zones, and I get some nice cash flow orders by doing that. I highly recommend it if you could do it in your order. We're going to drop this one off apartments. I know.
Gotta love the apartments.
Hey, how's it going, man? How do I get to you? Right here? Oh, cool. Perfect. And like I said earlier, boom, $11.75. Then we got a $13 stack. For me, my minimum on stacks is about $12 or $13. I like to have that a dollar amount if I'm going to 2 different merchants. The Penn Station and Wingstop are in the same little plaza here, so super convenient as well. When I stack my stacks, if I get them, I try to make sure both merchants are close. Saves me a lot of time and a lot of waiting time as well. But I usually only take stacks if both of the merchants in my particular market I can rely on, to where the wait won't be too long. I know it's a good merchant. I know they're going to have things ready for me when I get there. If one merchant is a good one and one isn't, sometimes even if the dollar amount's there, I won't take it only because I don't want to have to wait too long. I'm always on my way to money or coming back from money. That's key for me in my market. Reminder, always use that hot bag, guys. Doesn't have to be DoorDash, but you gotta use that hot bag. Keep hot things hot, cold things cold, all the time. All right, this next order I got almost immediately. Another key for me in my market to get to that $33 per hour average for me is when I look at my offers, if it leaves me in a drop-off zone that's good to get another order quickly, that's also a deciding factor for me. So we picked up from this local joint. It was showing me $8 going about 4 miles. Once again, it meets my $2 per mile ratio. Local joint. It's going to be a quick pickup, easy drop off. We definitely accepted that one there. And I also recommend, if you know your merchants, build relationships with these places, especially your local places. You should know their name. They should know your name. It makes for a better experience for them, for you, and ultimately for the customer as well.
Okay, there's the hole.
All right, a little leave at the door picture action. This order here came in at Uber Eats. It was a order and pay. I don't mind doing those as well because it was part of the day where it was going to be a little bit slow. Then we got back to DoorDash, a little Sonic action. Pull up to the area, hit the button, they bring it out to you. And once again, that Sonic drop-off was in a neighborhood close to where a lot of other restaurants are. So I'm on my way to go pick up the Steve's hot dogs, $9, 2.2 miles, leave me in another area where I can get an order quickly. That's how I make my money in my St. Louis market. Fast, efficient, keep the wheels moving, have your miles to money ratio, right? And make sure you're dealing with merchants you know and trust. And for all the new drivers out there, the only way you can know which ones you can trust is by opening the app, trying some merchants out, seeing which ones are good. Overall, the lunch was pretty good. We were out for 2.5 hours. We made $75. In my market, that's a win for me. If you guys are interested in these kind of videos, if you're interested in becoming a DoorDash driver, check the links and sign up below. If you want more awesome content, check out this next video right here. See you guys in the next one. Have a great day.